Hi guys, so this video shows how to make single phase submersible motor starter. First let me explain the circuit diagram of submersible motor starter. So here you can see one circle, so this is the motor. So inside motor there is two windings, we call it run winding and start winding. From run winding you can see one cable is going outside from the motor, that is a red cable. From start winding there is one cable is going outside, that is the yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the motor, that is the blue cable. So this is the cable, you can see red, yellow and blue. So this is a cable which is coming from the motor, and here you can see this blue cable which is coming from the motor is connected to the neutral of the main power supply. And if you check the red and yellow cable which is coming from the motor, in that cables you can see there is one capacitor is connected to red and yellow cable. You can see a capacitor here, and this red cable you can see is directly connected to the face of the main power supply. So this is a circuit diagram. If you want a switch, you can connect a switch here. This is very simple. uh, as I said, there is three cables which are coming from the motor: red, yellow and blue. Blue is nothing, it's a neutral. Red is phase and yellow is the cable which is coming from the start winding. The capacitor we need to connect to red and yellow. So that is, it's a symbol. Okay, so this is a capacitor. So as per the circuit diagram, these two cables which are coming from the capacitor, so these two cables we need to connect to a red and yellow cable which is coming from the motor. So we can connect this capacitor to a red, then yellow. Okay, so now I completed this part. I connected this capacitor to red and yellow. Okay, so next, so this is the cable which is coming from the main power supply. So you can see main here. This is a red is a phase and black is the neutral. So this phase, you can see in this diagram, you can see this phase is connected to red. So I can connect this red wire to this red. Okay, then neutral, in this circuit diagram we can see this neutral from the main power supply is connected to the blue wire which is coming from the motor. You can see this, there is nothing connected to this blue wire. So let me connect this to blue wire. Okay, done. So now we are done. This is a connection. So if you want to connect a switch, so you can see one switch here. So if you want a switch here, you can just remove this red wire. Just remove this red wire. Okay, then that red wire you can connect to the switch. Okay, then you can connect the other side of the switch to the red wire. So this is the switch. So this is the circuit diagram, and this way we can uh, create the submersible starter. It's very simple. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.